Hey guys, Chef Mike from Mike's Diner here. Yes, it's really me and we're doing it again. It's been a long time. Yeah, my producer Matt here, producer director, is finally able to help out here, and we're gonna do a nice video for you. It's gonna be a healthy dish, not too hard to make. We're gonna have some chicken thighs. We're gonna do some flanken ribs out on the taco grill. Those thighs are gonna be in my smoker. And then we're gonna, on the side, we're gonna have asparagus, and we're gonna check out the zucchinis in the garden to see which one we can cut up and put on the grill. So pull up a chair. It's great to be here again. I know it's been a long time, my bad. I hope you guys have been okay. Hope the subscribers are still around, and we'll get to making this soon, right now, okay? Stay tuned. Okay guys, the first thing we're gonna do is get the chicken ready. We're gonna put some seasoning on it. This is boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Let's not forget that, okay? That is key, because look how that looks. That's beautiful, right? So we'll pull them all out like this. And they're so easy to work with. They taste great. The no bone is really good. We're going to use the pollo seasoning. We're going to put it on real quick. Do a little flip. Put a little bit more seasoning. Pretty much good to go. Put that in the pan. That's ready for the smoker. That's all you need right there is that pollo seasoning. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to prepare the flanken ribs. I got these at Food for Less. You guys know what flanken ribs look like. They're this piece of meat with a little bit of the bone in it right there. But that's okay, because those are good to kind of chew on. Okay. So we got those in the dish. And we're going to pour on our baste that you guys saw earlier. Teriyaki baste. Okay. That's going to marinate for about 20 minutes. It doesn't take long. And then we're going to put some seasoning on it. It's going to be Montreal steak seasoning. And you can be a little free with that. And then what I want you to do, you guys, is get your hands dirty. Just mix it up. Look how that looks already. Incredible. And that's really the preparation for the meats. The asparagus is real simple. I like to take mine off, wash off that part, leave that last rubber band open so it doesn't fall everywhere, come right above it, and chop it down, and then throw them in the pan. Okay, we got quite a few people here, so I always buy 3 of these. Goes a long way, and they're not that expensive. Okay, now I'm ready to go. I got my flanken ribs, I have my seasoned chicken, and I have my asparagus. I'm also going to be throwing down some of these yellow chilies, because I really like yellow chilies when I'm eating meats and with my dinner. And I'm going to put that on the taco grill. So what we'll do right now, because you want everything to be ready at the same time, I'm going to go put my chicken on the smoker, because that's going to take maybe an hour or so to cook. I'm going to have it at about 300 on my smoker, 3 to 350. You can tell by turning it over and filling it how much longer you need, but it usually takes about an hour at 300. You're pretty close. As soon as that chicken is getting ready to finish, we'll go out to the taco grill and we'll start the flanken ribs and the veggies, because that doesn't take long and you want it to all be done at the same time. So let's take all our stuff outside to the backyard and I'll see you out there. Hey guys, we're out in the backyard at the grill. We got the smoked chicken going on right there. We got the grill nice and hot with some yellow chilies. Now we're gonna go in the garden and pick a couple of zucchini, okay? Come on, let's go check out the garden. Hey guys, we're back. We got some nice zucchini, fresh zucchini squash right there from the garden. We're going to chop this up real nice and we're going to put it on there. Just like that. Okay, we got the zucchini down there. I wanted to put on a little bit of garlic salt. Good enough. We're good to throw the meat down. Let's get that going. Man, those look tasty. Don't they already look like they'll taste great? They're not even cooked yet. Amazing. Okay. You guys know me. You know I like doing a lot of stuff. The asparagus, they cook fast, so we're not ready for that, right? Everything's timing. You gotta move it around. Chilies are cooking real good. Zucchini's looking good. Not there yet. I'll put this one on low so it doesn't cook as fast. This one stays on high. Let's take a look at the smoked chicken, see how that's coming. Oh yeah, we're getting there. Very nice. Very nice. The one to watch for is this big boy. As long as he's cooked, you know everything else is going to be ready. Good. Okay guys, looks like the zucchini's coming along just fine. We're gonna do a flip on our meat right now, but let's get that asparagus down, okay? Oh man, that looks wonderful. Let's put a little bit of garlic salt on that. A touch of olive oil. That's the only oil I use on anything, olive oil. Extra virgin. Now let's give this a flip. Oh yeah, can you see how that looks? Get a close one on that, Maddie. You see the searness, how that's cooked, and look how this is the other side. That's why you got to flip them, right? So it can have that same sear. Oh, these look fantastic. Man, I just have been loving me some Flanken riblets, I'll tell you. Okay guys, looks like the meat is really getting there, man. You don't want to overdo it on this because it'll start getting tough. That looks like we got a good sear on both ends. That looks really done. The asparagus look really good. The zucchini is definitely done. My chicken's coming to an end, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna get all this off the grill, get the chicken out. We're gonna clean up the grill so we can use it another time, and I'll meet you inside and we'll show you the end result on a nice plate for tonight's Monday night dinner. Okay guys, we'll see you inside. Okay guys, that's it. We just finished it. The plate looks ridiculous. For you guys out there, it's not that hard. Your wife's at work. She's going to come home. She's tired, right? She's going to tell you about that one lady and blah, 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 right? What better way to relax her with a nice plate, okay, that she may not even expect, and it's not that hard to do. Imagine she comes home and walks through and you say, here you go, babe. And you have that to give to her. Doesn't that look amazing? And really, everything's good for you. The meat, some people may not like meat, so just cut out the meat. You got your smoked chicken, asparagus, fresh zucchini from the garden, and a nice yellow chili. That's it, guys. It has been a long time. I appreciate you guys. I know it's been a while. I hope I still have some of my old school subscribers that have been with me for a long time. We're going to start getting at this. I already talked to my producer director about it, Maddie. We're going to take care of this for you guys. We're going to keep on pounding out some videos now. So it's good to be here. It's good to be cooking for you again. And I'm sure you're going to say it's about time, Chef Mike. And you're right, it is. So God bless. Keep eating. Have a good night, you guys, and take care.